What's up, guys? This is Tech Help Guy. In this video, I will be showing you how to check your screen time on your Android phone. Now, this varies from your phone, guys. Now, my phone here requires you to have an application, but in most cases, you should be able to see that on your phone. You go to your settings, and when you go to Smart and Convenient. But in this case, I still have to download this application called ScreenTime, and you can download that to Google Play Store, guys. Just make sure to accept every permission in here. So I just hit on allow here and allow the usage access of this application, screen time, and you'll be able to see your screen time for most of the day using the application. So guys, that is how you check your screen time on your Android phone. And guys, if you like this video, make sure to hit like and subscribe.